Arthur Madrigaleos Neri, born January 28, 1997, is a Filipino singer and songwriter. He signed a record deal in 2019 under Viva Records and released his debut album Letters Never Sent in the same year. He became well known in 2021 for his hit single
Pagsamo.
Neri was born in Cagayan de Oro City to a musical family. Both of his parents were singers. The first time he performed in public was when he was 8 years old, where he sang Fly Me to the Moon for a cousin's debut party. Even so, a career in music was never considered by Neri at the time. He started writing songs seriously in high school and received some formal training in singing after joining the Glee Club in college. He attended Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan, and majored in psychology, before going full-time in his music career. He worked as a call center agent and as an online English teacher for Japanese students. Neri was booked to sing in comedian Wacky Kire's show in Bukidnon, who later introduced him to Kulalali's frontman Keen Cipriano, who at the time had just launched his own label, OC. On the same night, Neri signed with OC.
Somebody told me you were leaving, I didn't know. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a settle where someone wins and someone loses.
Oh my gosh.
We just have to say our love was true, but it's not become our last. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye, just turn around and walk away. We don't have to live like this. But if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, so we can work through it all. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. Let me be the
Oh my god.
Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Di ko na nadiligan ang binhi ng iyong pagmamahal. Ayoko nang sa pilitan ibuhos ang lahat ng di nadamdam. Ang tangi kong hiling ay mahawakan ang iyong mga kamay at daliri, habang dahan-dahang haplusin ang mga salita. Ang puso mong sabik mayakap pag nag-iisa, kaya tahan na, sumandal ka. Hayaan mo na aking paglaruan, apoy ng iyong labi para lumay. Binibining natutulog sa ilalim ng aking mga bulaklak. Di mababaon sa limot ang ligayang hatid ng iyong halimuyak. Alak lamang ang pumuuna sa natira, mga alaalang di kumupas, at kahit na Ipilit ko mong ibalik pa ang dati tayo'y mawawala pa rin. Kaya tahan na, sumandal ka. Hayaan mo na aking paglaruan, apoy ng iyong labi o para lumay. Ilang araw na nakahiga, tuluyan na nga bang ako'y ang nilisan? Kahit saglit pwede bang mahawagan? Sa akin, di na muling mabibigo, ako ay yakapin. Kaya tahan na, sumandal ka. Hayaan mo na aking paglaruan, apoy ng iyong labi o para lumay. Ilang araw na nakahiga,